So I bet you were expecting a Thanksgiving recipe. Surprise! I'm not doing that today. I figured there's going to be a ton of videos coming out about Thanksgiving recipes. I'm going to do something different. If you do want some Thanksgiving recipes, I have some on my channel. I've got some mashed potatoes, gravy, green bean casserole, stuffing, so you can look for those and find those on my channel. But today I'm going to do spaghetti and meatballs. And I'm going to be using TVP, which is textured vegetable protein, to make these meatballs. They are so good. If you don't know what TVP is, it's textured vegetable protein. It's a great meat substitute. It's made from soy. It doesn't have a lot of flavor on its own, so you can flavor it to whatever you like, kind of like tofu. And it's perfect in this meatball recipe. It's high in protein, it's low in fat, low in carbs, so it's great if you're trying to lose weight. And this recipe is going to be super easy, just a few ingredients, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to put together. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is add some very hot broth to our TVP. And you just want to set it aside and let it sit for about 10 minutes till everything gets absorbed, till all that broth gets absorbed. Alright, so once everything has been incorporated in here, alright, so we'll just fluff it up a little bit. Everything's been absorbed. And then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. So we have seasonings. I've got onion powder, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. I've got nutritional yeast. I've got a little bit of tamari. You could use soy sauce. And then let's just mix this around. We're going to add a little bit of flour in here. I'm just using oat flour, but you could use whatever you want. This is going to be gluten-free. So you want to mix it well, and then you're going to get in there with your hands and make the meatballs, but you want it to be able to stick together, and if it's not, then you add a little bit more flour, which I think I'm going to do. Alright, so a little bit of flour, a little bit more flour did the trick. So you just want to make 1 to 2 inch balls here, and we're going to put them on lined baking sheet. You can pan fry these if you want, but then you need to use some oil, and I'm not really feeling oil today. And I may be making these a little bit big. Shocker. Alright. That's probably a better size. There we go. I feel better about that. Alright, I'm just going to continue making these and see how many I get. I was hoping I'd get 10, so I may have to reduce these a little more. But anyway, they're going to go into a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. And then I'm just going to use a simple marinara and my gluten-free pasta. Alright, here we go. Finished product. Let's give it a taste. So good. I tell you what, that TVP is amazing. These make great meatballs, and if you've been craving spaghetti meatballs, this is perfect. Hope you liked this video. Hope you learned something. If you did, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you would like to see more content like this, then please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every week. And be sure to check out my cookbook. The link will be down below. Just a reminder, I have my cookbook at a special price right now through December 1st. And the price will go up after that, and it's not going to go on sale for a while. So if you've been wanting my cookbook or a new cookbook, click the link and pick yourself up a copy. I really appreciate it. If you've made it this far in the video, please comment below with meatballs, and that way I know you made it to the end with me, and I really appreciate it. Remember, all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate. Until next time, thank you.